Alright, so I'm going to give you a quick tour of my shop before I do a transformation on it. I'm looking in through the entrance to it. There's actually two doors, but this is the one I always come through. Right off the bat, you see the bandsaw. It's a 14-inch Porter cable with a base. Got it off Craigslist. And then you see the workbench that was already here when I got here. Built by the previous owner, I believe. I actually really like it. I'm not sure what kind of top it has, but it's a nice top. Then behind it we have this wall where it's got tons of shelves put between the open studs. I used to have this wall covered in stuff and just didn't like it. I actually want to take it all down and just expose the wall instead. There's my clamp storage. There's the back rack that's always in my videos. Here's my bench. It's basically in the center, as you know. Wood storage is on your left as soon as you walk in. There's my burn pile. And those coffee cans also have some burn stuff in them. There's the door that goes out to the laundry room. It really doesn't matter. You can get there either way. There's some cabinets. I'm going to look to be taking those down. Here's all the shavings I just cleaned up. And this is actually something I really like. I might miss it with my new layout. We'll see. It comes all the way out. It's a removable tool, tray, drawer. So yeah, we'll see what happens with that. And then I'm probably going to be taking that whole bench area out just to give myself more room and make it a nicer backdrop. And I didn't ever really love it anyways. It's just janky looking, and it's just ugly looking. So let's see what happens. I don't know. Haven't got it all planned out yet. But that's it. That's the shop tour. I'll give you a much more in-depth one. A much more in-depth one whenever it's all done. Here's another view. Honestly, that wasn't so bad. Maybe it took an hour and a half. I was a little surprised to see some evidence of bugs eating away at the wood over in the corner there. But as far as I can tell, there's no evidence that they were around recently. I didn't see a single live bug anywhere there. I'm probably just going to take some bleach and spray it on there, see what happens. You know, kill anything that's there. Yeah, so I got to remove a little bit more. I've got to move an electrical outlet, and then I'm just going to put up some drywall. I'm not looking to insulate it because it's not been insulated. I'm not going to seal it off entirely. I just want to put something up that's nicer. I want to get rid of that bench. I hated it, always hated it. So now it's gone. I'm gonna have, I mean, just look at the space. It feels much bigger now. Now that nothing's impinging on my space there. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that cabinet. I disassembled it whole. I didn't want to destroy it. I think I will move it somewhere else, but I don't know. We'll see. that's that for the first part. A couple hours. It's okay though. It's a good one. I'm not the best drywaller, as you can see by my seams, but it'll do. I'll fill it in. But I'm excited about just the blank slate, the blank canvas, the blank canvas that it is now. Pretty excited. The next step is I'm going to put a chair rail up here. Well, not the next step, but one of the things, just to get an idea. I think I'm either going to put it right here on the seam. I don't know if that's too high, or I'll put it about 3 feet. I'm not sure, but picked ones with very few knots. I'll fill it in. I'll fill in the knots if they're going to show, and then I'll just paint over it. I believe it'll be white in the lower half, and then like a light blue like my floor, only much lighter on the top half. Not like sky blue, but like a dark grayish shade, but still very light. But yeah, so I'll do that, chair rail, and then I'll do like wainscoting, or yeah, just to give it a custom cool looking effect. And it'll be a nice different backdrop for me. Alright, I got up all the drywall that I'm going to do. I'm done. I'm not going to mud this wall just yet. I'm going to clean the shop first, and here we go. It's been about 8 hours of total work, I'd say, at this point. Okay, I've gotten to a stopping point where I'm just fine with what it is. I'm tired. I'm gonna think it over a little bit. I don't exactly know where everything's gonna go. I'm happy with this. I'm really excited about what it is. I feel like the echo's less already, which is cool. But it just is cleaner. I'm not gonna have dust gathering in every little corner. I will in the wood section, but I'll probably end up using the extra to fill in behind it. Looks good over here. So, I mean, I'm liking it. I'm gonna hang these up. I'm gonna convert that to a sawtill, I think. That's gonna get hung up somewhere. And I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that. I might put it in that corner, but we'll see. So yeah, this is the look at the shop. All drywall, no mud yet, no finished prep, no finished work. But yeah.